This is pushing me. Oh my god.
You've never. If you want to smell something bad, then smell my dog's breath.
Oh my god. No. Well, no.
Don't all dogs' breath smell bad?
Yes, they do.
Yes.
And away we go.
Wait, hold on. I need.
We're all zombies basically jam-packed at once. Well, after this, I'm
Maybe
done.
you are a zombie.
This is the worst.
Yeah, I'm just doing
All of us.
I just did that one ride uptown, and now this ride, and then I'm done. Yeah.
I'm doing 3 round trips.
Welcome to the ultimate real fanning window experience where we go. Right down the line.
The entire song, my fucking These are like $5 each. Y'all are not getting turns on my days. I know, but it's much cheaper than the animated that costs like $10. Damn, it's packed.
Alright, someone else can take my rail fan spot.
Thank you, my spot back. Thank you. Now I can horror farm.
Welcome to the real fanning experience.
Is there even an F train? That's this one. Right, exactly. Yeah.
Was it perfect
Someone
sell?
said there's an F train on this track. That's this train.
Welcome all to.
Sorry. With an extra stop for this 70 seconds. Trying to do counting. It's actually a good impression. Oh, thanks. I tried. Second count was really good. 70 seconds.
No, stay like the 2 train. 72nd Street.
72nd Street. I think you got it, honestly. Yeah, except you're on the subway. Exactly. There you go.
Oh my god.
What are you thinking about?
Nothing. Besides perfect cell for some reason.
Perfect what?
Perfect cell.
What is that supposed to mean?
Dragon Ball.
Oh.
Thank God for knowing stop markers. I wouldn't get those windows. Yep, they're all green now. I see one yellow
They need to take this on elevated.
What?
They need to take this on elevated.
I could just pull them right now.
Bro's wearing a captain's hat for whatever reason.
Oh my god. There's this. Oh my. Unless that guy has a stand, there is no reason. I'm not doing that.
I thought the one that's world of t-shirts or something. That's world of t-shirts or something. Guy looks like one, but he isn't. He's not. Probably not going to give us mobs at that point. With everyone getting.
This is the worst mistake of my life being at the rail penny window spot.
Well, now you can't even move.
No, because we have a lot of people behind. Oh
Well, you can. Well, you rushed here. now you deeply regret it.
Yes. So this is how I feel. Oh my god. Worst part is I was literally at the front, guessing the stopwatches correctly too. And my reward is this. Okay.
No,
It's not even a reward, it's just punishment.
you punished yourself.
Yep. Oh my fucking. Can we have personal space for fuck's sake?
No, we can't. That was me.
I know.
We are now.
Okay, so you're telling me trains can just terminate at Lexington from the second half? Okay.
Well, because they have crossover switches.
Yes, but it'll be a hassle.
There's a provision for the Phase 3 right here.
But that's happening!
If that's happening.
But just never.
Because due to the system, many proposed lines that never happen.
Can I have oh my face.
What was in your face exactly?
Oh my fucking days. I hate this spot so fucking much. Oh my lord. Good news, the next episode 3 minutes.
That means we have to wait for that train too.
No, we aren't.
Yes, we do.
Well, one train's gonna have to wait for the other.
We are not waiting. That's obvious.
Yes, we are.
We have a green signal.
But scheduled trains have priority.
You're gonna have to wait.
Try-
The passenger subway car is a lot more important than this tourist train, basically. Oh, true. And this is indeed a tourist train. Fuck my. Oh,
See-
there it is. We're fucked.
I told you.
It actually.
Or maybe they're just setting up the
train-
switches. Maybe.
No, we have to wait for the F
Yeah.
train because
Oh my
scheduled
days.
trains have priority over this.
Makes sense. I think they
If we let the holiday train go first, then the passengers of the F train would not be happy. Oh my god. They would not be.
Then if you let them go first, then we want to be happy. No matter what.
No matter what, it's a
no
losing.
matter what,
I
they-
had
yeah,
space
lose,
for a
lose.
brief moment, and now here I am because you got this.
It's either
Yeah, that's why I don't have space anymore.
How did this kid even come from?
I don't know where the fuck. Yeah, damn. Okay, I guess no more horror for me.
What? You want more horror?
What?
You want more horror? I can give you some horror. No, but we still have to wait for the F train.
I think we're cutting off the F. No, we're not. No, we're not.
Wait a minute.
Shutting up. Oh my days.
Wait, we're going first.
Oh.
Who's close? We're going first. Who's close?
Oh,
we going first? Oh, that's a shock.
And the signal changed.
Yeah, so
So they were just flipping switches.
I guess the F is going.
We're both making stops. It's not gonna be.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be held for that long.
Yeah, it's not gonna be held that long. It was.
after we get there, once it goes down,
It is a lose-lose situation. It is a lose-lose situation.
One of us would have lost.
Yeah.
Once we get to Rockville, Center,
Can
we
you
good.
please go away? The greatest name.
I kind of like when he does that.
Yeah, I kind of like it also. I mean, it makes things interesting.
See how the 30s, 40s, and 50s took the subway.
The Circle Time, the greatest name in sighting. I'll take that.
Oh, thank God there's a bunch of yellow
She used to work it out already. For human resources. What was the company? That's where Raw Trial. Yeah, I was trying to move. I don't know if it's still there. I think it is.
There's so many buildings.
Yeah. Oh yeah, a lot of companies have those. Yeah, that's definitely considered. He's telling me what we're doing, but that's definitely considering doing something on your day too. Probably laughing. That's like opposite hour. We all packed in like canned sardines. Oh, that's why it sounds canned sardines. Oh, yeah. Wait, I do.
What is that music?
I got a whole ass SpongeBob episode for us to listen to.
How old are you?
18. Literally, you could just do the boring ass rail fan window POV.
Well, other people may find this fun.
Yes. Oh, thank God. Oh, my God. Finally. Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Oh, my days. Give me space. God. Buddy.
I can't even move. I'm really being squished in like sardines.
Santa!
He's not real.
We all packed in like sardines.
Well, you've never seen Tokyo.
I'm literally standing on one leg. That's how bad it is.
You feel more comfortable like that?
What?
You feel more comfortable like that in this situation?
Hell no.
Shot!
Unknown ninja squad.
Okay, finally, now I get to see how this thing, how rough goes. Oh, it's just how, that's how it works. Wait! And there's another step.
Why are we even? Why? It's good.
Because everyone wants content.
No, like why are we scheduled as an entrance to Broadway Lafayette?
I don't know. Ask the signage above us. It literally says House in Lafayette. So I wanted to speak to the signage, not me.
What if you are the signage?
I'm not the signage! Do I look like a sign?
Maybe you're one in disguise.
I can literally see them
All my days, I don't have enough space to get in my book bag. Yeah.
What is in your bag?
Oh my god, if this
I can see them right now. I can see the
pushing in, I would see it easily get my book bag.
You can't even move.
No, I can't! I would have to brute force my ass through this.
No one can move. The holiday train, everyone wants to take videos of it.
No shit!
No shit, but what?
No shit, everyone wants footage.
It wasn't this street, it was a little
Got it uploaded to YouTube.
That's the,
Sometimes you have to sacrifice your comfort for the best spot.
yeah, it's a very similar variant to this.
I know that's great, but holy, we do not need to hop this over. We don't need not to switch over.
Well, think about the occasion.
This is not on the occasion if you have motherfuckers cramming. Way you should stand way you should be over that.
Goddamn travesty.
That's usually the time they run them. I wanted to. That's for a reason. Yeah, yeah, that's it.
That's what I've been doing when we're going tonight.
Don't get me started though with the Mets next year though. I am very upset.
Oh my word, look down.
I feel
That guy
bad
is just
with you.
passed
I
out
feel
on
bad
the.
with you, 'cause now
That
you're
guy
in the
is
corner,
just.
basically, you're being
That guy is
attacked.
just passed out on the stairs.
I felt bad. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah, you're right. Look at that.
That,
Oh, yeah.
would you want to sleep on the stairs?
I mean, it's better than being on this shit right now.
Would you want to Would you want to wear a blanket? Because
Buddy, of course I do.
Can I get space to stand on two legs again? Thank you.
Or
you
you
want
can-
a couch cushion as a pillow? That's probably the best.
or do you want to stand on nothing and just be floating?
I did not bring my fly hats with me this time. That's unfortunately not an option.
No, what if you were floating?
Like I said, I didn't bring my fly hats. I wish I did.
Now we go express to West 4th. One time I go to make an adjustment.
Well, Timer needs to run. Hasn't run out yet.
We're switching on to the local.
Oh, okay, we don't not need to play truck then. Okay, that's it. What's up, bitches?
What's up, Doc?
What's up, Doc?
Or as radio approach stations, give the middle finger.
I'm gonna do that right now.
I am full sandwich, and I'm coming
This
to
is
get
so
you.
bullshit, but I don't even give a fuck anymore. I'm so tired of this window already. Next time I'm doing this, I'm just war farming, giving these zero.
You don't care if people do it to you because you're just doing it for fun.
Yes, I'm not here for the content. I'm here for bullshit.
And you call yourself a bullshit artist?
I don't consider myself an artist. I just consider myself a dumb fuck. I really like to say it, but we're not allowed to say it. Retard. Oh, sorry.
Everybody's trying to get in.
Did you really call yourself a retard?
Yes. Finally, space. Guys, an R179 is upstairs. Go get it. It's rare.
Rare for you. Like
It is not. No, I'm trying to lie.
It's a lemon.
Or unless you're a lemon.
Yeah. It's a lemon. R179s are lemon.
They're saying it's a lemon, not me.
But they're calling you a lemon.
They're calling the 179s lemons.
Maybe you're a lemon in disguise. You're like a lemon man.
No, but I am a Pepsi man. Pepsi! No.
Pepsi sucks.
I don't even drink Pepsi. I don't even drink soda at all.
Then why did he?
I don't drink soda too. I don't like soda. Because it's Pepsi, man.
Maybe you're driving this train.
Then we're all going to die because I'm out here.
Maybe it's the train. Maybe there's a ghost in there. Ghost in the cab. Maybe there's a ghost in the cab.
I mean, that is possible. We got the Christmas spirit. I was always going to say Halloween.
Halloween was
I know.
2 months ago, almost 3.
Thanks, Sherlock.
Thanks, Sherlock. Where do you live?
It's a place called Linden. But I'm inside.
Why are we speeding up on a curve?
It's a 20. I think we should be fine on a 20. Signal timer, get ready everyone.
I can give you some bullshit. What would happen? It would not end good. I'm 23.
All I'm gonna say is we're about.
I'm 23.
Oh my days. Ah, crap! Lost my balance. Broadway, Lafayette Street.
Fred,
Level 26 and
this is your home. The entrance to your home is above the
It is
platform.
not my home, Jesus Christ.
Where do you live?
I just said Glendale in Queens! Do I look like a transplant?
Like you live in a transit desert,
I mean, I live in the east, so the closest is to like, yeah, Fresh Pond.
but like you literally live off the the unused, the
Yes, I do.
you don't even know what I was gonna say.
I mean, I know what you're about to say.
Oh, the Lower Montauk Bridge.
Yes. And also the Bay Ridge branch too.
Which is
Once
gonna.
they both pull up, you want to. Once we hear it at night, you want to start killing yourself.
Let's not do that. Let's not do that at all.
Oh my days! I swear to God.
Even the NYCT front sign is not working.
That's normal. That is normal for that to not work.
And also,
Blame on maintenance.
how many times have you seen R6s where its front light is not working?
Yeah, I
Where its front signage is not working? Too many times?
Yeah, good job, Jamaica Yard. Yeah.
It's every single yard. Jesus Christ.
Oh, there's an open window.
It's like they own actually, like they own.
I just realized there's an
actually
open
own-
window.
They own all actually. I mean, all of the R160s basically. Jamaica Yard.
No, I'm talking about that window over there.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why nobody.
Who's playing Thomas? Yeah, it's you. Or I can play Baby Shark in your ear.
No.
Or Bob the Builder.
That'd be much better, actually. Which Bob Builder we're talking about?
The original one.
Oh, thank God. Oh my God. That'd be great, actually.
Actually, Baba Builder's good. It's actually good.
Hell yeah! I thought we were watching Bella the Bulb.
Yeah. Not Baby Shark. Come on, not that. Baba the Builder's better.
Grass is green. Well, I won't. Well, unfortunately, I will not be.
What
right.
about watching Barbie?
No.
Yes.
Next up, second half. How many turns are there? How many crossovers?
This is the worst mistake of my life.
What is that track? What is that track?
I meant the 28th. I meant the 28th. The holiday train will be the last day.
There's a bag on the track, but
Is that Jolly? Oh, I thought that was Jolly Ranchers on the track.
why? How would Jolly Ranchers even get here? To be honest,
How would that box even get there in the first place?
how would that bucket even?
Let's just hope the D train is
See, look at this trash on the thing.
Fuck you. Fuck you. You see this video and then you wind up and you get a massive fuck you. Don't you fucking it.
I wasn't gonna do anything,
Okay.
but I was gonna give you an itch.
finally.
You-
Hey, are we stopping at the 8 sparks?
Yes, we have to because you can't even go. Because 10 cars can't even fit on this platform.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's a metal wall.
Why is there a metal wall there?
Because it was supposed to be for.
It was supposed to be for another subway line.
It was supposed to go over the Manhattan Bridge.
No, it would not. Oh
Yes,
my.
it was.
Oh, drop it. Move out the way. This guy's trying to leave. Please move.
It was supposed to go onto the Manhattan Bridge.